Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is go through my top 5 hardware wallets of 2024. So I've been using hardware wallets for quite a while, and I've been passionate about them, and ultimately these are in order the ones I used most. So we've got a few new ones on the list, and I want to get into that in this video. So guys, comment, subscribe, like this video. You guys know what to do, and give me a list of your top 5 hardware wallets. If you don't have 5, then share with me the one that you love most. So with that being said, it's time to get loose. And if you guys want, use the link tree. I will have most of these wallets in the link tree. Some of which you can save some money, like the first one, and others you will not. We are also doing a giveaway. So we are giving away a OneKey Classic 1S. So guys, all you have to do is click on the link, and you can tag 3 friends. You have to own a Loose Moose. We have steps here for you as well. So follow Moose YouTube, OneKey, tag 3 friends, own a Loose Moose. That's it. So we are giving that away. You got like 14 days for that. So starting off with number 1, guys, I use this wallet all the time. It is my Tangem. So guys, the Tangem wallet is fantastic. And the main reason is because it works with my app. So there is the Tangem app, and it works seamlessly well. I can put this in my wallet, by the way. So I just put it in my wallet. I carry it around with me, and I like this a lot. I cannot tell you how many times I've gone to, a video production shoot, or I've traveled even to Vegas recently, and I just brought my Tangem. So that's one thing that I do like about the device. It works really well. And when it comes to hardware wallets, you want it to be simple, easy to use, and also effective. So if you guys head over to the link tree, you can see here we've got the Tangem link. This will save you 10% off if you use code Moose. So go to Get Tangem, and here you also have the stealth option. So with the stealth option, you just don't have the branding on the front. So it's a little more inconspicuous. And yeah, you can use your card, PayPal, whatever it may be. But you have the 2-card and 3-card set. Very simple and easy to set up. So I do have a setup video. Let me share that with you guys just to keep it simple as well. So here, if you go to the channel, all you're going to do is go through videos and type in Tangem. So here you got Tangem wallet set up. This will show you how to set up the wallet. And now you can also write down your seed phrase. So I believe it's a 12-word recovery seed phrase. Write that down, put it in a separate place other than the device itself. And yeah, this is going to be a wallet that gives you access to so many different native assets. You got Ethereum, BNB, ADA, you have AVAX, etc. They're growing exponentially fast. So I just wanted to mention that. That's number 1. Number 2 is going to be the Trezor Safe 5. So this is a new hardware wallet. And taking a look at the website, you get an idea as to how this wallet looks. I've done several different videos, including an unboxing, as well as a setup video for this wallet. So guys, head over to the channel, type in Trezor, type in whatever hardware wallet you want to be more familiar with. These videos are doing quite well. So I've taken the time to give you guys a good in-depth look at these wallets. So with the Safe 5, the one thing I will say about it is that it is going to be your yield farming, staking, and ultimate data protection powerhouse of a wallet. So what's different about that wallet compared to something like a Tangem is that with the Tangem, you're going to be somewhat limited. So connecting a Tangem to MetaMask for yield farming, staking, it's not going to feel the same. Basically, if you're using a desktop or a laptop, you're going to want to pick up something like a Trezor Safe 5 because you're going to be able to just do more. So I do like that option there. So if you guys head over, to the link tree as well. You can use those affiliate links. You will not save any money, but you will help support the channel. Not only are you going to have some of the best hardware out there, but in terms of software and security, it's going to be some of the best in the world. You're also going to have a lot of compatibility. So it supports thousands of tokens. That is true. Here you've got a little bit of the haptic feedback. And ultimately, this is one of the wallets that I carry around the most, probably just as much as my Tangem, to be honest. So you also have the Bitcoin only hardware wallet. So for those of you that are OG Bitcoin maxis, you can use that as well. And yeah, this thing is just awesome. But if you are using a cell phone, you're going to want to think about the Tangem, because using a Trezor with the cell phone, it's not going to be as good. You're not going to be able to actually send, but you can receive, of course. Okay, so that's going to be number 2. Number 3, this is a new hardware wallet. Kind of caught me by surprise. I just did an unboxing video, and it's going to be the OneKey Classic 1S. This device is really cool. So compared to a Tangem, very similar, just a little bit thicker. Compared to a Trezor, just a little bit different. I did a first look video as well. So if you guys go to videos on the channel, the latest videos, that will be found here. So if you guys want to know what it looks like a little more in depth, and also in terms of unboxing, I got a video for that as well. So guys, heading over to the link tree, I've got a OneKey link as well. Okay, so they have several different wallets. This is the OneKey Classic 1S. And let me tell you one thing about this device. It is similar to the Trezor in the sense that it connects well with a laptop, desktop, but you can also connect it via Bluetooth with your cell phone. So all you have to do is hold up your cell phone and you can send and receive with this device. So I like this. This feels like a really cool hardware wallet. It doesn't feel super premium, but it's really cool. And it caught me off guard because I thought it would be kind of crappy. I really didn't think it would be good, but it's really good. USB-C, supports Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. This is probably the most versatile hardware wallet. I guess who I would recommend this wallet to is for someone that is intermediate with crypto or better, and someone that has a laptop, or perhaps maybe you're really into crypto and you don't just want a Tangem, but you want something a little more advanced. This is a good option, and I like it a lot. I'm just super impressed all around with that wallet. All right, let's dive into the next hardware wallet, and we're going to talk about the Ledger S Plus. So I do have that link for you down in the link tree as well. I don't believe you're going to save any money on this device. And by the way, Ledger has been around for a long time, and they have a lot of different wallets. We're going to be talking about the S Plus. So I have not owned the Nano X, but one of my buddies has one, and he swears by it. I just haven't picked one up. This is an even better option if you can afford it. So this one's around 200 CAD, probably like 160 USD. And they have several other wallets as well. So you got the Ledger Stacks and the Ledger Flex. So these are touchscreen devices. These are the latest and greatest. But of course, if you want to get something a little bit cheaper, get the Ledger Nano S Plus. The reason you'd want to pick up a Ledger S Plus is because it's similar to the Trezor, but it's a little bit cheaper. So it supports basically the same amount of tokens, their app as well. But again, if you pick up this wallet, you're going to want to have a laptop. You don't want to be using your mobile with this device. For mobile, you've got the Tangem. For the mobile, you also have your OneKey. But when it comes to, using a laptop, this is going to be a good option for that. So very compact, very simple, easy to use. You can stake easily. If you own a lot of Cosmos Atom, that's how I stake my Atom. And other assets as well. It's very easy to stake using their app. So I have several different videos. In fact, most of my online courses, that's when I started using Ledger. So if you guys check those out, I believe it is the 2-in-1 course or the Masterclass. So it's the simple guide. This course right here, that course is revolved around the ledger, I believe. So guys, check that out and let me know down below. So number 5, this is going to be a wallet that I would recommend because it's better than not having one. But I recommend all the other wallets before this one. That's going to be the Ellipal Titan Mini. So the main reason you want to get this is because it is cheap. This wallet, I think, is like $60. We'll go through the link tree here. It just takes time to sign transactions. So you basically gotta, it's an air-gapped wallet. It's very secure in the sense that, like, I couldn't imagine breaking into this thing. But ultimately, it's not as easy to use as the other wallets. It's the scanning of the phone and using the device. It's a little intrusive. It's not that easy. So a lot of these other wallets take the friction out of the way. It allows you to seamlessly transact. So that's why I use them more. But it is a great wallet, and it's better than not having one. And I think it looks great. This probably looks like the best wallet. So it's $100, looks like USD. And it's got a lot of security features. It's a great hardware wallet. But just know that if you are someone who's mobile, on the go, perhaps even if with your laptop or with your app, which is what you're going to be using this with, it's just not as fast. The only really downside to this device is that you have to constantly take QR photos and scan it with both the device and your phone. So it's just too much, in my opinion. Whereas with the Tangem, you tap it. With the Ledger, Trezors, you just, it's much easier to sign transactions. All I'm going to say is that it's not as good, but the security's there and it's better than not having one. So guys, that's all we have for you on this episode. If you can, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. What is your favorite hardware wallet? What is the best wallet of 2024? For me, it's going to be the Tangem and the Trezor. Those are the top two still. Coming in third, it's got to be the OneKey, and then so on. So we'll see you in the next one.